Hi.
Hello, teachers.
Okay, my name is Yan. What is your name?
My name is Tracy.
Hi, Tracy. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, so let's go to your next speaking test. Okay, look at this picture. We have here the children in the park. I'd like you to point where's the balloon?
It's here.
Okay. Where's the tree?
It's here.
Okay, look at this girl. What is she wearing?
She wearing a yellow t-shirt and
Okay.
blue skirt.
Okay. And how about this girl? What is she wearing?
She wearing a pink dress and blue shoes.
Okay, good job. Good job. Now, where is the bike?
It's here.
Okay, that's it. It's the bike. Okay, look at these pictures. Okay, which is the lemon?
It's here.
Okay, I'm putting the lemon under the bike.
It's
Okay,
here.
it's here. Now, what can you say about this lemon now?
The lemon is under the bike.
Very good. That's it. Now, put the lemon on the tree. Put the lemon on the tree. Okay. Where's the lemon? Where's the lemon?
The lemon is on the tree.
Okay, very good. Okay, what is this?
It's a school bag.
It's a school bag. Okay, put the school bag under the balloons, please. Okay, put the school bag under the balloon. Okay, what can you say now about the school bag?
It's here.
Okay, it's here. What's the sentence?
The school bag is under the balloon.
Okay, that's it. Very good. Now, which is the t-shirt?
It's here.
Okay, what's the color of that t-shirt?
The t-shirt is blue.
Okay, I'd like you to put the t-shirt next to the bike. Okay, so what can you say about this t-shirt now? What's the sentence?
The t-shirt is next to the bike.
Okay, very good. Okay, look at this boy who is jumping. Now, I'd like you to put this slide. Okay, I'd like you to put that slide near the boy who is jumping. Okay. Okay, what can you say about that?
The slide is near the boy jumping.
Okay, very good. The slide is near the boy who is jumping. Very good. Are you ready for the next part?
Yes.
Okay, so the next part is you're going to tell me again of these pictures. Okay, which is the school bus?
It's here.
Okay, what's the color of that school bus?
The school bus is yellow.
Okay, so do you go to school by bus?
No, I don't.
Okay, no. How do you go to school?
It's by
Okay, by motorbike. Okay. Okay, what is this?
it's pizza.
It's pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is egg.
Egg. Okay. So what animal is this?
It's sheep.
It's a sheep. Do you see the sheep on the farm?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay, how about this one? What's this?
Is bookstore.
Bookstore. How many bookshops or bookstores are there near your house?
No, I don't. No,
Okay,
no,
no.
not.
Okay, no bookstore or bookshops near your house. Okay, thank you so much. Let's move on to the fourth part of this speaking test. Let's talk about your family. How many people are there in your family?
My 4 people.
Okay, so you are four people in your family. Okay, and what is your father's name?
My father name is Dũng.
Yum. And how old is he?
He is 39 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Kim Anh.
How old is she?
She is 38 years old.
Okay. Have you got a brother or a sister?
I have. Yes, I have. I have younger brother.
Okay. What's his name?
Mm, my
His name is?
name is Nguyen.
Okay. How old is he?
He is 5 years old.
5 years old. Okay. Do you live in an apartment or a house?
My list is a house.
Okay. I live in a house. How many bedrooms are there?
Yes,
How many? How many bedrooms are there? Is it
is
two, three?
is one.
Okay, one bedroom. Have you got a TV,
Yes, I have.
a sofa?
No, I haven't.
Okay. In the living room, okay, in the living room, how many things can you see?
Is one living room.
Okay, what are the things inside your living room?
Is
TV,
is sofa,
sofa. What else? Desk,
table.
table. Okay, thank you so much. And I would like to ask also if your TV is in the living room or in the kitchen.
My is living room.
It's in the living room. Okay, thank you so much, Tracy.
Teachers.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, teachers.